GitHub Copilot versus Cursor versus Windsurf. So let's compare them. Number one, their features and capabilities. GitHub Copilot is integrated deeply with VS Code and JetBrains IDEs, which excels at auto-completion and generating code snippets based on comments. Next is Cursor, a developer-focused AI editor built for collaboration, offering in-editor chat, refactoring, and code explanation. Then Windsurf. Now it is known for its multi-model support and long context coding sessions, making it ideal for large-scale projects and debugging. Number 2, pricing and plans. GitHub Copilot costs around $10 per month for individuals and $19 for businesses, while Cursor offers a free plan with limited queries, and there are also paid tiers with higher usage. And Windsurf is more premium. It's often charging higher monthly fees, but it offers flexible enterprise licensing. Number 3, their ease of use. GitHub Copilot is extremely beginner-friendly, working out of the box, while Cursor is slightly more advanced, but it offers a smoother workflow once you set it up. And Windsurf caters to power users who want fine control and multi-agent workflows. Step 4, performance and accuracy. GitHub Copilot is excellent for fast, boilerplate code generation, while Cursor stands out for its inline chat and context-aware answers. And Windsurf handles longer and more complex prompts very well, which is ideal for advanced AI pair programming. So, for final verdict, if you want simplicity and great integration, you can choose GitHub Copilot. And for collaboration and debugging, Cursor is the best choice for you. Meanwhile, Windsurf is the best option for large projects and advanced devs who need deep context handling. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.